Hey, it's Paul Ingram with ColleCenter.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at a double stick combination, a little bit more of a recap from my previous Collie class. If you want the full instruction from this class, click the link, the first link in the description. Join my online Collie classes. It's $3 a month or $30 for the whole year. I'm putting up a class every week. These are 30-minute classes. Sometimes it might be a little under 30 minutes. Sometimes it might be a little over 30 minutes, but it's focused, progressive training every single class. So just click the link, check it out. It's $3 a month or $30 for the year. Let's go ahead, grab some sticks, kick right on into it. If you do not have a pair of rattan sticks for your Collie practice, make sure to head over to the store over at ColleCenter.com and go order yourself a pair or two of quality rattan sticks for your training. Try to keep up with me. It's going to be a little bit fast today. Again, if you want the full lesson breakdown with the footwork and everything, click the link right in the description. Join the Collie classes for just $3 a month or $30 for the year. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're working with. We have our chamber positions where we're starting. We're going to strike up to 4, strike down to 1. Same thing on the other side. That's our fluid strikes. Then we're going to go into a broken 6 strike, hit the broken 1, up to 4, down to 1. Hit the broken 1 on the left, up to 4, down to 1. Then we go into our overhead strikes. Overhead horizontal, right there, up to 4, down to 1. Overhead horizontal with the left hand, up to 4, down to 1. Then we're gonna end it out with our heaven 6 right there. So heaven 6, we got those 6 strikes, striking a 1, a 2, and a broken 2. The 1, the 2, and then the broken 2 from the other side. So let's go nice and slow. If you have to, watch this video multiple times, slow it down. There's a feature on YouTube, okay, if you go by the little gear section when you hover over the video, where you can slow the videos down, my friends, okay? So let's go ahead. I'm gonna start nice and slow, gradually speed it up. Let's take a look.